Want CAPCUT Pro for free for mobile and PC? So this is my free CAPCUT Pro preview. It has every pro effect, like I am adding one. Also, it has pro in and out animations, as you can see in this video. There are many different type of pro transitions. And also many cool type of text template, as you can see in this video. There's also a video of mine CAPCUT Pro download in PC. In this pinned comment, you can it if you want CAPCUT Pro PC. I can't give you the link of CAPCUT Pro due to YouTube rules and regulations. There are also Text Pro animations. I can't guarantee you that this CAPCUT will work correctly on your device. I have two devices this CAPCUT work on both of my device. All materials links used in the video is in the pinned comment. Don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.